Alright, I want to talk about the session for 5-4. To be fair, I've gone through a whole lot and didn't see a whole lot. So just want to talk about Tesla after we talk about the SPY and two pre-market movers, and that'll be it for today. SPY S&P 500 ETF. Big picture is up. Recent trend action is still in a tight sideways range at a prior swing high just underneath the 52-week highs. So just waiting for resolution of this range. But as of now, the big picture uptrend still is intact. So the top two pre-market movers were Ruby Tuesday, which was a large gap down, and the other one was SRC, which was a large gap down. So these were both hard passes because they were such huge gaps. Man, I've gone through just like almost every chart I have, and ran all my scans, and I didn't see much. So the only thing I really want to talk about is still like these triggers are still up here from the other day on Tesla. So just kind of going through it. If we take the ATR, some wide range days, it's about $13. This one about $15. So call it about $14 wide range day. Long-term trend still is up. Intermediately, big picture trend is up. The recent trade action is we broke out to all-time highs, but then the next day immediately rejected from the prior day's high, and so had some continued weakness from the day before. So some background weakness, but obviously we're still in a strong uptrend. But with the weakness in the background, you say you come in today and you want to take me like Covels with consolidation. After 10 o'clock, so yeah, we do gap down, we do go down, but then you get this nice sideways for about 40 minutes. So a fucking hour is a long time, but you get this sideways for 40 minutes. I think that this is a pretty high probability trade with the weakness in the background, with the full Covel going sideways. And Tesla is like, as you like to say, one of the market darlings. It's a real stock that people trade. So nice sideways range. You can after about 30 minutes you start throwing on the trade anywhere in there, and put your stop just above here. So you're risking $2, and maybe you get out of here for about $5 or $4. I mean, 2.5 to 1 or 2 to 1. But when there's really not just like a hell of a lot of opportunities out there, this is like the best intraday. I'm talking about like I didn't see really any clean daily setups from the long side or short side. A lot of gaps at all-time highs that were just like gap up, go ups, opening spike type deals. So just wasn't a lot really to choose from in retrospect. So maybe a lot of people are cycling their money out as far as like hedge funds and stuff, or market's kind of in this little choppy range, so maybe people are just like moving to the sidelines. They have no idea what's going on, but just this was a nice low probability, or excuse me, low risk, high probability trade. And so muting our expectations for profit is we come down about $10 already. So you say maybe another $4 or $5 in here. So just the expectation. Anyway, quick rundown on Tesla. We have a 3-day holiday here in Korea now. Actually, had quite a few holidays. We had a Wednesday was Buddha's birthday, and then Friday today is Children's Day. So, and then yesterday was Sandwich Day because of it's in between, right? So we got that off, and then next Monday and Tuesday also have off. So I'm gonna go down south a little bit to the beach. So I will have my video up somewhere around Sunday for Friday's session. But I certainly hope there's some more trades than we've seen in the past couple of days. It would be nice because like after Monday, it was sick when there was just like Apple and Tesla and Netflix, and like that was awesome. But then kind of dried up a little bit since then. All right, man. Later.